Hi, my name's Jeannie Brown, and I attended today with my husband. He's a nurse practitioner who gives injections. I'm an RN, so I mostly assist. And we have a small practice in Northern California. Daryl's been giving intra-articular injections with lidocaine and cortisones, but we recently wanted to include stem cell therapy, and we understand that it's one of those things that you want to be a lot more precise about where it goes in. And so this ultrasound guided class today taught us how to give those injections with more of a precise location. And I actually received two of them myself, so my shoulder and my knee I think will be very happy. I've had them before, but this time with the ultrasound guided, it's like I could actually see the diagnosis as to why I needed them, and I know that they're going to help me quite a bit. They already feel better, which I didn't expect to be able to say today. I was thinking, oh, the rest of my weekend is shot. I'm going to be just wanting to, not do much, but I feel like I can go out and enjoy Vegas now. The ultrasound technicians that you have are expertise and experience is so vast that, I mean, they just can really whip through everything so fast, but you can tell they just slow it down and point out every little structure that we need to know. We're going to be able to help so many people.